Hi all, this is Niharika again from Ethnico. Today I'm going to show you some beautiful designer wears which we have in store. This can be customized to your requirement and to your budget too. These are long gowns and lehengas as such. So I'll be showing you some 5 to 6 outfits where we'll tell you each and every detail about the outfit, the fabric which is being used, the embroidery that is into the outfit, and also the model of the outfit. These are ready to dispatch outfits. In case if you have any color queries or any customizations required, like you want long sleeves or a transparent sleeves, transparent shoulder, or any other color variation or any other customization, just call us, or you can WhatsApp us on 8978359546. Share the screenshot, and you can also ping us on Facebook or Insta. Ethnico.in is our handle. Let's start with our first video. So the outfit which we have right now is a lehenga. It's a Chanderi lehenga which has got it's a crop top, the collar neck crop top kind of model with the scallop cut lehenga and with the Georgette dupatta. So this lehenga is hand embroidered. We have got pattern wise hand embroidered. It's a Chanderi lehenga. It has got booties. This lehenga has got zari booties on it. It's a khali model lehenga which has got scallop cut. As I said, it's a scallop cut. It's a gota lace to it, and then it has got net for the added flare. It has got around 7 to 8 meters of flare in it, and this we can attach the can if you wish to. And then the collar neck crop top. It has got collar neck crop top, and the crop top is hand embroidered. The collar is hand embroidered with kaddana, resham, zardosi and Nakshi work on it, and it has got embroidery over the armhole. The whole armhole is hand embroidered. The dupatta is hand embroidered. It has got 7 meters, 7 meters of scallop cut work to the dupatta. 7 meters of scallop cut work through the dupatta, and throughout the dupatta it has got tiny booties to kaddana and sequence booties across. It's a nice wine color, like plum or wine color. It's a plum color or wine color antaru kada, running color andi ippude. And the waist kuda manchiga hand work ochindi. And it's a Georgette dupatta, complete ka scallop cut work ochindi. Dinki sleeves, we can attach the sleeves to it as well. The sleeves are there if you wish to, and the back neck is diamond shaped neck we have given. So in case if you have got any requirement like color change or anything as such, you can let us know. You can WhatsApp us or you can ping us on Facebook or Insta. I'll give you the details at the end of the video. Manchi plum color. This is a nice beautiful lehenga. Manchi party wear, budget friendly ga untundi, and you can ee color toni, manchi bright color toni you can shine for the day. And yeah, the code of this particular outfit is L11 and the price is 16,800. L11 16,800 andi. Lehenga Chanderi lehenga anamata, Georgette dupatta, net ghera vachestadi, full flare, 7 to 8 meters of flare undi idantha. With can we would give it. Customization, we take the customization order for this too. It's a 16,700. Can be customized to your requirement and your budget also. This is ready to dispatch. So if you want the same lehenga, you can pick it as a. Our next outfit is pure Chanderi anarkali. This is pure Chanderi chikankari anarkali andi, which is with a very beautiful combination, olive green and pastel pink. Pastel, olive green and pink combination. The whole anarkali has got mukesh and pitta work on it. The body is completely with the Nakshi pitta work over it, and the mukesh work embossed with the complete mukesh work. And if you see, floral chikankari work ochindi throughout the anarkali, and border ochesesi Nakshi border ichamu. Nice manchi Nakshi border ichamu throughout the anarkali, and khali model undi mottam anarkali mottam kuda. You see 7 meters of flare undi. If you see the 7 meters of flare, and mottam pitta work ochindandi. Mottam the body is completely having the pitta work and mukesh work on it, hand embroidered. And sleeves ochesesi itla without lining ichamu. Sleeves full sleeves ichamu. It is like till here anamata. Mana dress ki koncham paiki vastundi, and U neck. This is paired up with a nice blush pink, pastel pink antaru kada, pastel pink dupatta, chikankari dupatta. Even dupatta is embroidered with the Nakshi pitta work anamata. The whole dupatta kuda ila unnai, and ki tassels laga unnai. Beautiful Chanderi anarkali, olive green and pastel pink combination, and back we have given a keyhole. So if you can also customize it to your requirement, and this can be customized to any color which you wish to. And me sleeve length patti, anything you can do it. If you don't want work also, we can do it. If you want work, we can give the added work to it. Any pearl day combination, bright combinations could choose, we can do it. So the price of this particular outfit is 16,700, and the code is A5. A5 16,700 can be customized to any color. Okay, if you like this outfit, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on our number. Our number will be scrolling at the bottom, and I'll giving you the details at the end of the video. Thank you. Just now I have shown you the chikankari olive green and pink combination, right? So in the same, in the same pattern, we have got this mauve and wine color combination. Mauve color anamata. This is like chocolate, koncham light ila undi. Mauve color lo undi anamata. Tan mauve color antaru kada ala undi. And it's paired up with a nice plum color dupatta. So this is having the same chikankari. Dintlo anda checks chikankari vachesindi mottam. Even దీనికి కూడా border వచ్చింది nakshi and silver. A slight difference onto the border. And it's being paired up with a pure organza and Mukesh work dupatta. Pure organza Mukesh work dupatta. So this outfit actually, it's the organza dupatta wala, this is a bit pricey on that. If you want this dupatta with any of the anarkali which you have ordered for chikankari, so the price of this particular outfit will be 17,900 anamata. The other one is 16,700. This will be 17,900. And the sleeves vachesi, this is having this kind of organza sleeves which we have organza sleeves icham dinki Mukesh work toni. So that's the only difference. This is a different color. So if you want any customization on this particular outfit, you can ping us or WhatsApp. The color customization can be done, and the work also according to your choice. Okay. So this code is A6, and the price is 17,900. Pure chikankari chanderi anarkali. You can check the with paired up with a pure organza Mukesh work dupatta. Organza kuda mottam ikkadanta kuda thread work ochindandi. If you see, manchi chikankari thread work vachesindi. It's a pure organza anamata. Mottam Mukesh work throughout the border. So this is a elegant. Actually meer deen meediki kaadu, tarvata kuda deen meedikaina vesukochu ee dupatta ani ala untundi. Very lightweight dupatta vachesi. This is priced at 17,900, and the code is A6. A6 17,900, pure chikankari chanderi anarkali. So our next outfit is long gown. It's a party wear long gown with a nice sea green color organza fabric. Pure organza sea green color long gown. Manchi party wear. It's a pure raw silk body ichamu with a complete embroidery, hand embroidery ichesam, mottam anta embossing chesamu with kaddana and thread work icham complete ga. Meer chuste it's like very beautiful work. Neckline anta cut work vastundi and thread work untadi complete ga. So added sheen kosam we have given the nice kaddana sequence and nakshi embroidery over it. A gold touch, the pastel color touch to the gown is an added elegance to this. Sleeves kuda complete ka cut work ochindi. If you see the complete it's a sleeves cut work ochindi, body kuda kinda cut work ochindi, neat ga undi. And flare chuste meeru, the flare is like around 7 meters and 7 to 8 plus meters it is. Nice twirl ki kuda avutundi. It's a pure organza. If you see organza chuste meeku telusu, very delicate. It's a pure organza anamata. Manchi sea green color, and the work chudandi meer ikkada enta neat ga undo. And side open icham denki. If you want, we can add back open too. We can give back open too on order. Customized to any color. Any color kaina customize chesukochu. And this outfit is the code of this particular outfit is A7, and the price is 18,500. A7 18,500. Complete embroidery andi on the body, cut work vachesindi mottam. And it's a different pattern, pure organza sea green color anamata. Lining vachesi satin lining icham, meer chuste satin lining ichamu. Can vastundi dintho, outfit to can kuda vastundi. It's if you see a manchi elegant party wear reception kaani denik kaani meer vesukodaniki kuda chala baaguntundi. So if you like the outfit, just take a screenshot of this particular outfit and WhatsApp us on the WhatsApp us on 8978359546. You can also ping us on Facebook or Insta. Okay. So the next outfit is nice ice blue color long gown andi. This is with uneven hemline. It has got 2 layers. The upper layer has got uneven hemlines in high-low pattern, and the lower layer is like a gown pattern long gown. It has got around 10 plus meters of flare in it. 10 plus meters of flare. The body of the gown is with pure raw silk fabric, and the embroidery is done with Zardosi and Nakshi. We have used silver color Nakshi and the gold color or antique gold color Zardosi in it. Both are antique touch. Both are having antique touch. We have used pearls in it. If you see the embroidery, armhole ki daggara oka type of machi work vachi embroidery ochindandi towards the armhole. A different pattern, complete ga half side teeskoni we have given a cross embroidery in it. Flowers vachi, resham vachi, sequence vachesesi. It is giving a subtle look. At the same time, it is giving a very elegant and nice party wear look. If you see మొత్తం ఫ్లేర్ చూస్తే కంప్లీట్ గౌన్ చూస్తే మంచిగా ఇట్లా ఫుల్ ఫ్లేర్ తోని అండ్ అన్ఈవెన్ హెమ్ లైన్స్ ఈ కట్ కూడా చూడండి ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ నైస్ పార్టీ వేర్ అండి. సటిల్గా ఉంటుంది, మీరు ఎక్కడైనా హెవీగా కనబడకూడదు. బట్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు లూజ్ ఎలిగెన్స్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్. ఐ వాంట్ టు డాజల్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్ అంటే యూ కెన్ ఆఫ్ ఫర్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ అవుట్ఫిట్. రైట్ నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ అన్ ఐస్ బ్లూ కలర్ అనమాట. ఐస్ బ్లూ కలర్ వచ్చేసి స్టోన్ కలర్ కూడా అనొచ్చు దీన్ని. ఆ 2 షేడ్స్ మిక్స్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఈ కలర్ పేస్టల్ కలర్ అండి. మీరు చూసే ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ అండ్ మైథిలి గారు పిక్చర్ ఇలా యా చూడండి, మీకు మొత్తం అవుట్ఫిట్ లుక్ తెలుస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. అండ్ శాంటూన్ లైనింగ్ ఇచ్చాము. క్యాన్ ఉంది. దిస్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ క్యాన్ ఆల్సో. శాంటూన్ లైనింగ్ ఇచ్చాము. స్లీవ్స్ మీద ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ వీ కెన్ గివ్ ద టైనీ బూటీస్ టు ద స్లీవ్స్ టూ. వీ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ పేర్డ్ విత్ ద షార్ట్ స్లీవ్ అనమాట. Back కూడా చూడండి, it has got nice cut in it if you see the back. డబుల్ లేయర్ ఉంటుంది, 2 layers ఉన్నాయి ఆ గౌన్లో. అండ్ ప్యూర్ రా సిల్క్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అండ్ నెట్ యూస్ చేసాం దీనికి. The price of this particular outfit is 14,700. It's 14,700 and the code is A8 is the code. 14,700 and A8. This can be customized to any color you wish to, and the can be customized work kuda customize avutundi, colors kaani edaina kuda pattern kuda customize cheyochu. If you like this particular outfit, just WhatsApp us on 8978359546 with the screenshot. Yeah, accordingly we suggest. And meeku inkaina heavy ga kavalanna just inka light ga kavalanna kuda mem anadagalani ma pattern. If you like it, we can carry on. Any customizations unna kuda you can ping us. Now I'm showing you the beautiful off-white crop top lehenga, which is completely hand embroidered. The crop top is completely hand embroidered with thread work and manchi bright colors. Off-white lehenga. This is mull cotton. The fabric is mull cotton, pure mull cotton anamata. Pretty crop top with a nice off-white color and because of the off-white color, pure raw silk top. It's on a pure raw silk top. The lehenga is with mull cotton. And the crop top which is pure raw silk anamata. It has got complete thread embroidery. If you see, we have given the nice colors like mehendi green, yellow and pink shades, grey kuda touch icham memo. So because of that, it's looking very elegant on a off-white and it's very bright. Pure raw silk fabric we have used for the crop top. And to the neckline, if you see, it has got the thread embroidery. It's like boat neck which has got nice short sleeves, and the sleeves are embroidered as well. Complete thread embroidery. So deenki ee outfit we are if you like the dupatta, we can add the dupatta to it. It's like for an extra cost. And if you want embroidery over the belt also, we can give. The price of this particular outfit as it is 12,500. It's the 12,500 and this particular outfit, and the code is L12. And if you want a dupatta, so based on your choice and budget, we would add the dupatta to it at an extra cost. And if belt kuda make embroidery kavali ante, we can give the belt embroidery to the belt. So as is the mull cotton outfit ki, it's 12,500 completely thread embroidery on a pure raw silk fabric. This crop top lehenga, crop top skirt. It's in a bias skirt, and if you see the flare, it is almost 10 plus meters. Okay. So that's all for today, and so these are our outfits. These are our designer outfits. We're coming up with more new collections for you. If you like any of the outfits which we have shown today, please take a screenshot, WhatsApp us on 8978359546, and you can also ping us on Insta or Facebook. Our handles are etnico.in. You can see that it's at the bottom. And if you want any customization also, please drop us a query on our same WhatsApp number 8978359546. And any other customized outfits if you need also, you can ping us on Facebook or Insta. We are located at High Tech City, Hyderabad. You can find our address in Google. It's near Hightex Exhibition Center. We ship worldwide. Worldwide shipping is available with us. So in case if you have any requirements like designer sarees or anything, just ping us. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.